Okay, let's dive into this explainer, because today is a huge milestone for us. We are finally crossing a major threshold in our learning journey. We're taking all that pure theory we've been soaking up, actually scratch that, we are leaving the theory entirely behind, and we're stepping right into the fast-paced world of actual execution.
That's right, we have officially made it to week 4. Just think about that for a second. This is a massive, pivotal shift. All those foundational mechanics you've been working so hard to absorb, well, they're about to coalesce into something totally tangible.
Our focus has officially changed to real-world projects and freelancing. Consider this your mission briefing, guys. We are stepping into the shoes of independent creators right now. It's time to take those raw skills and start packaging them up into actual market-ready solutions. And zooming in specifically on day 22, well, I want you to consider this your very first major assignment. This is about delivering under pressure to create a real-world portfolio piece, the exact kind of thing that actually gets you hired.
So, what's the mission? It's the AI customer support agent. And listen, this isn't just some neat party trick. No way. This is a highly sought-after digital asset that is quite literally revolutionizing modern business as we speak.
I want you to treat this customer service AI project as your absolute first major freelance client brief. Picture this. A company is totally overwhelmed with inquiries. Their staff is completely bogged down, and they desperately need a smart, automated system to handle the load. And guess what? Your job is to build it for them.
Now, to pull this off successfully, you're going to need to master 3 designated skills: ticket routing, FAQ handling, and building a knowledge base. Seeing them laid out like this brilliantly illustrates the anatomy of the AI. It's a highly structured sequence of capabilities, all working together seamlessly.
Let's break these down. First up is ticket routing. You can think of this as the initial action the AI agent really has to master. Before an AI can actually solve a problem, it essentially has to act like a digital traffic cop. By analyzing the intent behind a phrase like, say, "my package is late," the routing skill immediately directs that inquiry over to the correct automated workflow. And honestly, if this step fails, the whole system just bottlenecks. Okay, moving on to the second skill, the FAQ. Programming an AI to dynamically utilize frequently asked questions is absolutely vital for those high-volume, low-complexity queries. It basically empowers your support agent to instantly resolve super repetitive issues, things like simple password resets. Doing this saves a massive amount of time for the business. It's a real game changer. Let's move to the third skill and see how this all builds together. Because ultimately, an AI can't route a ticket or answer an FAQ if it doesn't actually understand the company it works for, right? That brings us to the knowledge base. This is the foundational information repository. It's holding all the policies, the specs, the guides, basically the brain that those previous 2 skills pull from in real time. It often uses semantic search to generate those contextually accurate responses we need. So let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture for a second. Real-world projects versus freelancing. Completing this project, that proves your technical capability for sure. But actively freelancing means taking what you've built and demonstrating real, tangible business value to a client. It's exactly what bridges the gap from being just a student to becoming a hired professional.
Which really leaves us with this critical question to think about. How will you apply these customer service AI skills in your freelance career? Because you now know how ticket routing, dynamic FAQs, and a robust knowledge base all come together to form an incredibly valuable product. And let me tell you, the market demand is absolutely there. So, how are you going to take what you build on day 22 and pitch it to your very first client? Keep that question front and center. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will see you in the next one.